Welcome to another episode of Local Fish, Local Flavors. Today we'll be cooking blackened catfish, featuring farm-raised catfish caught and purchased from a family-owned fee fishing business located in Michigan. For this dish, you'll need 4 catfish fillets, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, cooking oil, 1 lemon, and blackening spice blend. Lightly season catfish fillets with salt and pepper and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. While your catfish fillets are resting, prepare your blackening spice blend. In a small bowl, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. If you like blackened catfish with a lot of blackened seasoning, but not too salty, use 1 tablespoon of salt instead of 2. Add 1.5 tablespoons of smoked sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground allspice. Combine and set aside. Combine 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a glass measuring cup or small bowl. Mix. Brush both sides of the fillets with the butter and oil mixture until evenly coated and glistening. Sprinkle with blackening spice blend to taste. I'm going to sprinkle fillets with a generous amount to create a bold blackened flavor. Heat a cast iron skillet or heavy bottom sauté pan over high heat until hot. Place the fish in the pan, seasoned side down. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook without flipping until a dark crust forms. Then flip. Sprinkle with blackening seasoning so both sides of the fillet are seasoned, and finish cooking. Remove fish from heat when done and plate. Fish is done when it flakes easily when a little pressure is applied, or the internal temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Drizzle with the remaining melted butter and serve with lemon wedges. The key to cooking tasty catfish is starting with a fresh, high-quality product. Visiting a fee fishing pond can be a fun way to combine the experience of fishing with cooking a delicious catfish dinner. To find fee fishing businesses in the Great Lakes regions, visit the Great Lakes Fresh Fish Finder website and select fee fishing in the product type drop-down to customize your search. Happy cooking! We hope to see you soon.